Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Civic car battery. First, gather your tools like a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety gear. Always ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is set. Wearing safety glasses and gloves is crucial for your protection throughout this process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery change. Next, locate your Honda Civic's battery, usually found on the driver's side of the engine bay. It's vital to disconnect the negative terminal first using a 10mm wrench to prevent electrical shorts. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. After both cables are safely detached, remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in place. Before installing the new battery, clean the battery tray and terminal clamps to ensure good contact and prevent corrosion. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This specific order helps prevent sparks and protects your car's electrical system. Once the new battery is connected, secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp to prevent movement. Apply anti-corrosion grease to both terminals to extend their life and maintain a strong connection. Finally, remember that car batteries contain hazardous materials. You must properly dispose of your old battery at an auto parts store or a designated recycling facility.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.